Alright, we are here again. Well, I know it has been a long time. That's because I tried to edit a video so good, but it wouldn't let me upload it because of how long it is. So, we're trying it with the same app, with this thingy here. Anyway, remember, yeah, we're back again with Granny. You'd always tap this thing. Anyway, we're going on easy. It's already all set up because I tried to do this so many times. It didn't let me do it. Anyway, let's try to win this. Day 1. It isn't as me. I have played this before, more than 2 times, so I've won a lot of times on easy. So let's try it again. Okay. I haven't played this in a while though. Ooh, car battery. Okay. Not take it yet. Let's not take it yet. Let's see. Ooh, cutting pliers. Ooh, spark plug. Dang, we finding all the stuff already. Ooh, shotgun piece. We're gonna need that. But let me see what's in here. Nothing? Okay. Let's get this. Put it down in the basement. Get the spark plug, then the battery. Just gonna drop this. Carry it. Ooh! Did it even fall? We're in the red zone, guys. Oh, dang. Got loud. But I like the music. You're not gonna be hearing that. Okay, never mind, you will. Careful. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. Day 2. Okay, that one was on me. Oh man, I saw her, so I'm all like, okay, this isn't gonna end well. Alright, let's get the spark plug in the battery. Just drop that. It gives it enough time. Get the battery. Over here. Down here. Down here. Drop that. Go up here. We are gonna try that again though. Okay. Nope. Okay. What's that? What's the gun piece? Yeah, I didn't need that. Is the thing open? Yeah, it's open. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't go far enough. Just go in. Nah. We gotta try this again. If we gotta trap Granny, we gotta do it this time. Okay, forget about it. We don't have enough time. Is she coming or what? I don't have patience. Okay, she's not coming. Man, why did I drop it way over here? Okay, what happens if I drop it like here? Doesn't help at all. Like over here. It didn't even go on the ground, just go in here. She coming yet? Oh yeah, she's coming still. Yeah, but she's not gonna make it in that far, right? Like it. Ooh. Yeah, we got him. We got him. Yeah, like that, ready? Suffocating in there. Is she? Oh! didn't go up, and I'm like, oh no. Damn, Granny's smart. Granny's smart. She uses... Granny used it 1% of her brain right there. Oh, damn. Damn, Granny, damn. Oh, wow. Yeah, let's see what's in here. We got the cocoa melon. Citrus melon. Go over here. Chop it. Chop it. Get the playhouse key. Put this. Drop it. Go here. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Man, Granny was smart. Gotta go on this side. I need to open it though. Yeah, let's go. Okay, next we gotta go over here. Okay. Okay. Oh, trust me, I'm way too old for hide and seek. I'm 3 years old. Okay, should go over there. Already got the car battery from over there. Okay, stop. Gotta go over here. Put it in. Get that gun part. Didn't even hit the ground. Built in. Yes, I have won the easy a whole lot of times. Okay, open. Nope. Open. Why? Okay, well, just checking. Okay, let's check the kitchen. She should be upstairs. Yeah, she's upstairs. Okay, open. Meat. Open. Nothing. Open. Wait, what's that? Oh, gun piece. Okay. Open. Oh god, wow, that's good. Special key. What's in here? It's probably the last gun piece, bro. How say the last gun piece? Come here. Go. Okay, go. She heard that. Jump this table. Gotta take the long way. Okay, it's over here. Nope. Be careful. Okay. Ooh, nothing in here. Ooh, I'm so glad that thing did not hit the ground. You have to be kidding me. Okay, gonna just close that. Okay. Wakachado. Now we just need one more thing. Yes, one more thing. We got all of that. We got that. Oh. Yeah, there could always be something in here. Okay, just wait. No, there's nothing in there. All right, to the spider. Oh, I need to get across there. All right, we're here. So both the meat and the special key is up here, down here. Where's she at? I think she's in there. Go, 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 go. Close it. Okay. So we're gonna open this. Make her think we're up here. Which we are, but not for long. Gotta make sure. Okay, she's here. Okay, go, 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 go. No time to search the restroom. Alright. Go over here. Meat! Meat! Where's the meat? I've seen it already. I've seen it. There's nothing even in these. Never anything in here. I've seen the meat. I thought it was over there. Where's the meat? Oh, you know what the meat. Dang, I don't know what the meat is. I remember seeing it, but I just don't remember where. Down here? Nope. I don't know. I thought I saw it in the kitchen. I'm pretty sure I saw it in the kitchen. If not, then where did I see it? Oh, wow! Not even there. Okay, probably over here. Nope, 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 no meat. Alright, let's get this. Throw it to the spider. Okay. Oh, okay, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Okay. Where is the meat? It just magically disappeared. I know I've seen it somewhere. Just don't know where though. But, no, I need. Nah. Wait, was that door always open? Okay, there's always a way to go around it. So why not just... There we go. Anything in here? No? Okay, just a bloody bathroom. Okay, well, for some reason, there's no meat here. I thought there was. I've seen it. I just don't know where. There it is. I knew it was in the kitchen. How did I not see it? How did I not see it? Either way, let's just go upstairs. Oh, okay. Just vanishes right there. Okay, let's make her go downstairs. Ooh, I actually almost fell there. Alright, so she should be going downstairs. I actually almost fell right there. Alright, we gotta make it go! Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, I stayed still for too long. What? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get it, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah. Man, I stayed still for so long. Okay, so let's just... Whee! Did not expect it to go down there. Look how far it went. Oh, where did it go? I don't know where it went. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Go, 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 go. Oh, then she's up there. Go, 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 go. Woo! Luckily, she does not go down to the basement on purpose. She just goes down there. Bro, the last part was right here. Get away. Let's just do this. Alright. We gotta drop this. Get this. Get this. My Nerf or nothing gun. There we go. Looks like a shotgun. Doesn't it? no, 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 pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Come here, Granny. Whoa-pow! Just gonna hide the body, dispose the body. Just gonna dispose the body. There you go. No one will see her head. Alright, poor Granny. Granny! Wait a second. Granny. Man, Thanos snapped his fingers. Alright, let's go. Alright, what do we need? We need the car key. And then, yeah, we should be done by then. Getting the car key isn't gonna be easy. I know, okay. I know we have one of the gears. I just don't know what the other one is. Oh, Granny, better go and get that. Alright, okay, there's bullets there. Yeah. I still haven't found the hammer. The hammer is really, really important. Let's see, we got one of them here. Go take it. Oh, I thought this was the red one. Okay, well, either way, it's better then. Let's go. Okay, now let's go get the shotgun. Okay, I got it. Now let's go to the sewers. Actually, I wonder, can I just shoot it down from here? Oh yeah, I can. Alright, Granny should be up by now. I just stand still. I have to go see who's calling me. Yeah, we're gonna have to get another bullet. Got it. Okay. Where you at? There you are. Oh, oh, come on. You're sitting on my wrench. Oh, wait. No, never mind. It's over here. There we go. Let's go get whatever's inside there. Man, we're making a lot of progress. Man, traveling through those tunnels takes so long. Okay. Yeah, we didn't need the padlock key. We weren't just gonna get the card key. Man, whoever said they just needed the padlock key are dumb. Yeah, whoever said you needed the card key are dumb. Yeah, you always need the padlock key. Not just. Oh, we gotta make this fast. Okay, not just the card key. You need the padlock key. I don't know who would say that. Just like we're done. Nah, you need the padlock key. Can I open it? Alright, just another brick wall. Great. Just great, just great. 18 minutes, okay. Wonder who could be in my fastest school. Well, no, it's not gonna be 18 minutes and stuff. Cause I did cut the scene, yeah, I did just cut a video for a long time, so. Genuinely need the shotgun. I wonder if it could work too. It might not, because the shotgun does not shoot that far. But we're still gonna try. To sewers and to get a bullet. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it. But we might though, right? We always might. Woo! Oh, you're useless. Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind, bro. You keep it. Just kidding. I actually thought I wasn't gonna make it on the cover. Okay, so it seems like well, when I shot that gun, Granny was alive and she came down there when I was getting my stuff. So Granny's a spawn killer. Just kidding. But I gotta go get that well. Alright. I know what I'm gonna be calling this video. Granny once again. No, don't drop that, dang it. It's because if I didn't drop it, Granny would have went further and it would have taken more time, but just gotta get way closer. Take very little time. Come on. Aren't you almost stepped in that? Wait until I see it. Now. Okay, so she should be coming. Oh no. No. We gotta go. Okay, I know what to do. Plug it in. Okay, but I can't get off this. Come on, give me my charger. What percent is it at? 5 still. Okay, how about now? Ah, there we go. Now it's at 29. So, let's go. Woo! Luckily, that gave me way too much time. Granny gave me so much time. Granny walks too slow. Alright. Alright. Let me just get set up. Alright, let's go. Good silver coin. Is it like right above me? No. Oh, come on. Hey. Fall timber. Okay, birdseed's good, perfect. Oh, damn, that is so loud. This is a perfect timing. The perfect place to get birdseed. I'm just dropping everything here. Okay, let's go upstairs first. Oh, right, there's only one way of getting out. She's not up here. She's not up here? She's not down here? Oh, wow. Perfect timing, Granny. That's a real perfect timing. Go. Oh, wow. I had to drop the hammer that far. Bye-bye. Aren't you old? You can't see anything with your old wrinkly eyes. Oh, wow. I forgot you could just come out from any of these doors. Granny is pretty fast too. Bump. But it bump. Don't always see when she's coming. When she's coming. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, you better get out of here. My territory. Right, I need the hammer. Woo! 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 We get take it this time. Oh, wow, you opened the door for no reason. I mean, it was locked, so thank you. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I need to break this. Go here. Come on, go. Open the door. Oh. I actually walked it backwards on a plank. Go, 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 go. Ah! No! 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 Go! 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 Ah! Why did I turn around? Oh no! No! Why I turned around? Day 4. All right. Let's put Granny out for a nap. How about that, kids? I knew you would agree with me. Because if you didn't. Anyway, gotta go all the way over here. Got it. Oh, come on. She better not come straight over here. Where's she at? Granny, I got a gun with your name on it because it belongs to... Oh! Oh, she got a bat that with my name on it. Day 5, the last day. Alright. I had enough of Granny. We're going full protection mode. Almost there! I don't feel like going on Granny. Oh! Why? Why would you get out that quick? Ow! Oh! Oh, that hurt it. Oh my God, Granny, where's the shotgun? I need to shoot you. Oh, I mean, ah! All right. Well, we lost this time. Hey, at least we did some good progress. Anyway, I'm thinking the car key was in the safe because I saw something golden in there. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Either way, bye bye. Okay, bye.